Well, hi guys. It's Tuesday, the 13th, and I'm hoping we got some rain coming right above my finger in Warren County. So, I'm hoping that the beans I planted Friday and Saturday will be up today. Because if they get this shower on them, they'll jump out of the ground. At least I hope so. Yeah, I hope it does. It's oh man, I just realized I left the tractor sitting outside. Oh well. So it's kind of a late start to the day, but I'm getting there, slow but sure. I actually slept in today for the first time and I don't know when. It's been a rough, last week has been rough. And I guess my body decided it needed a little break. So we'll see how much rain we get later on today and see how things look when I get to the farm. So we'll see you in here in a bit, guys. So hang on. We'll be back. Well, hi, guys. It's Tuesday afternoon up here at the farm. Just got done raining a little bit ago. And so far, I don't see anything up, but we had a pretty good rain because there's water standing on this no-till ground. A little sloshy. And so far I like what I see. It's not perfect. Might be a good time to get back in the truck. Oh well, got a few things to do today, little things. Things I need to catch up on, I guess. Get some housework done and some bills to pay. Yippee skippy, love that. But these ought to jump out of the ground for sure by now. Get a rain on them, they ought to pop. If you go a couple miles that way, it really poured this morning. Water running out of the road ditches on across the road and everything else. Got here, it hasn't rained as much. It's rained, but it's not been as hard, it appears. But if anything, it'll make these jump out of the ground for sure. The work ground was planted Friday, which is what, 4 days ago, and this was planted Saturday. So if anything, like I say, this rain ought to make these jump out of the ground. At any rate, guys, I guess I better get off here and get some work done. Get my bills paid and all the other happy stuff. So we'll see you here. We'll see you next time, guys. Probably won't make another one unless it's weather related off the computer or something. So we'll see you next time, guys. As always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Oh, nice lightning. Wished I'd have caught that one for you, Do Farms a bit. You would have liked it. We'll see you next time.